We have Goliath right here. I'm going to continue on disassembling everything. It actually looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it doesn't. So I'm going to try to get as much done as I can. At this point, it's pretty much I got to just disconnect the harnesses, take as much as I can off that connects to the head, and hopefully I can at least get the head off today. That will be the goal. If you guys want like more details on how to take the head apart, I did that for Project EK. So a couple of videos ago, you guys be able to see that. It's a little more involved, and then it'll help you guys that way. But I'm probably just going to do a time lapse, just try to get as much done as I can, and we're going to go from there. So let's get started.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Alright guys, so at this point, pretty much almost everything is out. All I really got left to do is disconnect the fuel line here, take my throttle cable off, and I think that might be it. Oh, and then I got to take the oil feed for the Vtec right here, this steel braided line. Once I take that off, then I can start taking the valve train off, and this head should be coming off.
Give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something.
So we have reached the point where it's time to disassemble the valve train. All the sensors are disconnected, hoses, pretty much everything on the top portion of the head. So we're going to work on loosening the valve train, and we should be getting this head off shortly. Alright guys, so this kind of sucks. I'm literally at the very last step, which is loosening the head bolts, and I cannot find my 3/8, well, my 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, because I was going to use the air gun to loosen the head bolts because they're a lot easier. I've done them that way in the past, and it helps out a lot instead of me breaking my back trying to loosen them by hand, and I cannot find it. And as you can see, it's pretty much nighttime already, so this kind of sucks. But it looks like we're gonna have to continue this tomorrow, and I'm gonna have to just buy a new adapter. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got the sets right here. This is the guy I needed right here. I just ended up buying a whole new set. And literally the last step we had was to loosen all the head bolts. So I'm actually on my lunch break, so I'm gonna see if I take this out real quick. I should be able to, since that's just the last step, and then we'll be good to go here. Time to take this bad boy out. Should be good. I'm pretty sure I disconnected everything I needed to, so let's see. And there we go. And there we have it. Head's off. A little oily mess, kinda forgot to drain the oil, but got our head right there and we are good. So we're gonna send this to the machine shop, get it resurfaced. In the meantime, I'll prep the other block and we're gonna be golden soon, guys. So I'm gonna close this video out. Catch you guys on the next. Thanks for watching.